If you're seeing missing error code 400, the good news is that this is usually a browser side issue, not a permanent problem with your account. In many cases, the error happens because your browser is sending old cookies, oversized tracking data, or cache login information that Microsoft's sign-in system no longer likes. So in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. And if this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, go to the Messen or Outlook login page where you're seeing the error. This is important because we want to reproduce the problem on the exact page that's failing. If the page is loading the error right now, leave it open and continue with the next step. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and I at the same time to open Developer Tools. This gives you access to browser troubleshooting options. Once that panel opens, go to your browser toolbar and right-click the Refresh button. From the menu that appears, choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This forces the browser to throw away old cached files and reload the page completely fresh. If the error was caused by stale data, this often fixes it right away. After that, try signing in again. If the error is still there, the next best step is to open a private browsing window. In Chrome, use Incognito mode. In Edge, use InPrivate mode. The reason this works is that private windows start with a cleaner session and usually ignore existing cookies, extensions, and saved login data that may be interfering with Microsoft's authentication process. Once the private window opens, go directly to outlook.live.com or msn.com. Don't use a bookmarked page yet. Type the address manually so you're loading the most current login page. Then try signing in again. If it works in private mode, that's a strong sign that one of your browser extensions, cached cookies, or saved site data is causing the mess and error code 400. If that happens, go back to your normal browser and disable extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security add-ons. These can break the script that handles Microsoft's login tokens and trigger the error. After disabling an extension, reload the page and test again. If the error disappears, you've found the problem. You can also clear cookies and site data for Messen and Outlook specifically. That's a helpful next step if the private window works but your normal browser does not. Clearing only the affected site data is often enough to fix the login issue without wiping everything from your browser. So to recap, if you get missing error code 400, start by hard reloading the page, then test the login in Incognito or InPrivate mode, and if that works, look for an extension or cookie problem in your regular browser. In most cases, one of those steps resolves it quickly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.